Hello and welcome to Impact TV. Yengbirisi Be Easy Talk ni Business Excellence Group na promote toba amasung initiate toba business talk show ni talk show sida aikoina Manipur gi senthum gi matang da market ki matang da financial amasung tungan ba akoi gi entrepreneurship ki matang da akoi khana ne najari ngasi gi episode asida akoi ngasi khana doisi financial investment maruina stock shares bonds mutual funds haiba wahi wata sing ma masi matang da khana henna kupna khangna ba amasung India gi wena leiba Bombay Stock Exchange National Stock Exchange sigumba sida kamai tawna share trade tawgadage kamai tawdana aigi leijo paisa khara investor ga income tangadage haibudugi matang dani khana ne nagadurisi haiba puramaksi demystify tawna ba mayam da khara henna bhab ta ba khara henna simpler form da khangna ba akogi hozik ngasi gi shows da lengji do leise. First of all, let me welcome Siddharth Laisram. Welcome to the show. Loinana Siddharth Laisram ga loinana lengjen birisi Vivek Thogdamni. Vivek, thank you for joining. Vivek amasung Laisram animak akoi independent financial advisor ni analyst ni tongan ba akoi gi kanoda akoi gi stock exchange gi matang da nainaraba adugumba naha ngaktani mabanina mayamda akoi gi kaigumba paisa khara leje taragadi madu kamai tawna stock ta thadaraga ai income tangadage amasung how safe and how unsafe kari risk no haibu matang da khoi khanna ne gadoni adubu how dringeda some background khara haitara Siddharth kari no nangna hana tormi se aduga analyst sama weba se kari changi apetang Siddharth ta hosine
is a kanogi actually as a entrepreneur as a from childhood from what the class as an entrepreneur morning mentality just after graduation I Christ College Christ University from Bangalore as a stock trading I couldn't get time much into the stock exchange like studying and everything. Is a MBA MBA lo sila matung after that I imanabaga koi pulaga any startup amatawe. Adu matung after that I went to this thing National Institute of Financial Management. It's an autonomous institute of Minister of Finance. Adu college is a postgraduate diploma in financial market. So it's all about the financial market, whether in stock exchange, mutual funds, everything. So as a full-time investor as a stock analyst or as an investment advisor
I stock market. Yes, I was interested in stock market. I didn't have much idea about this. But in class 10, 11, the Economic Times, Financial Express, the company Tata, Birla, then Bajaj, then Reliance. But I didn't get a chance to go to this financial studies. Manipur doctor and engineer. So my parents, engineering parents then I went to engineering to electronics I graduated once I finished that I Infosys Technologies Limited software engineer so I stayed there for 4 years. That was a big learning for me. I'm kind of a corporate, one of the biggest corporate in the country. So after that I came to realize that in a tiny kanzagi I can progress if I go to a bank. So I next I'm joined on in a Barclays bank. So luckily I got through that. And investment bank ki backroom staff so from there I learned like on the job training stock market I got to see like US the trade Korea and as well as like in Europe. So each and everything about like 24/7 I got to see the world market. So from starting that, and I decided as an analyst, independent, it will be a better opportunity for me. So last year I quit my job. I came back to Manipur. Manipur is like hujikti mai the network ki kajam phare so because of that CA lak pudike dumai opportunity lak pudike is the thokchara hujik
so basically Manipur gi hujik hoi mai ma'am hai sini mai khara phare internet connectivity kite hankale so that gave you an opportunity for nagi apamba dream do nabani si teamwork wena tobra no or just independent wena tobra is there any vision of teamwork toga tobagi wakalon la kana
right now we're gonna tie up adu akoi je atang kano it is an initial process it's a pipeline project iwani pullaga akoi je as a portfolio management service plus investment advisor adugi kano khogi noma poina adugi kano ge startup ma tong na poina
okay so basically you come from a financial kind of background ma system company computer analyst ma kano in a tech background like so you think you two can make a good partner okay. Great let's hope we do kick off the while but akhoi sum yeng bada advertisement am like mutual fund da akhoi invest to adu to wada to kana but lotion lakpa ki advertisement ki lotion lakpa sida yam thuna investment of the
mutual fund is subject to risks
yes cover the yeng kan da makha da pikna akhoi ko nang si thada base ekta phajana mapthakna paisa se thadara di lupa asukam phangane na utla kanda pikna madu paru ta ga di paisa thada base mu kien bai tare ado si myam si risk si akoi gi probably akoi safety regulator myam gi requirement am di wer ngane khalle but risk amadi chauna involved tawi simi ko ado now si lakto si akoi shareholder ta ba share male kanji da sometime you hit a jackpot have also tare adagi share leru badagi pura white out to gives you aure business in shares how does it work common layman's da ko apagi financial jargon yaud da vida common layman da ai lupa lakh kar lei how do I invest this lakh of rupees so that I get maximum benefit through share selling or share trading agar selling investment ka trading da I think there are different connotation let's start with that
koi stock market ki matang je koi me mana as a layman person mana more than knowledge strategy we really advise to go through the mutual fund mutual fund the koi paisa je you can start from the right from 500 rupees or from to as a lump sum amount mana adu ngasagi segi AMC ko moi je koi asset management company mutual fund ye handle doi mams moi je combined together moi just it's handled by professionals moi je kana da koi certified financial analyst enam jule moi na mane handle do bunga tane adubu moi na sagi koi samna ha kan da akoi ai paisa am lei je ai mi ngon da puthok ni ha kan da ai mi am da puthok tip ai da some machoi down so they basically so they also do the same thing
okay basket amada yerum loina hap kan wa ta da kai tar ga ju basket bacham da hap wa so nangi leiba akoi resources to spread out of one
spread out as AMC is when spread out so they mitigate the risk aduna ngasagi risk se ngasagi when even though there is a disclaimer they market it's subject to market risk hack tagazu there are a lot of strategies like strategies akoina kamaina tare hagali ba paisa je kamaina akoina capital erosion se kamaina akoina sustain tawdana ba kamaina recover tawgada gi habagi strategies makan ju leiri so it let's leave it to the professionals ki mogi AMCs mayam na ka tawbani na adugi mogi strategy makan lei je dugudi aduna so they always try to not to habadi capital erosion tawna de hone aduna advaina sagi haije ta ga su
so basically balancing act high risk khara da invest kar tawba then khara low risk koi ba short over khara da tawraga som da khara mang ta ga su som din tawga jida kindly you kind of provide a steady income ma investor the pina bhona ba that's mutual fund
diversification naita akoi ngai gi risk wang ba akoi na sigi kano the stocks ti yang kan the beta na value ma legi sigi beta value technical kano de ta mudi dubu mogi ngai gi akoi gi AMC managers fund managers sari ma jina high beta katang akoi gi high beta jina market jina katang ka khala ko mo jina hena ka khala kani ate ki market jina katang tala ko mo hena tala kani ate high beta jida kha basket che kha allocate taw ni dang sai low beta oi ba low beta jina kain to ge da akoi gi market jina kakhtlagasu yam ka hand ka daga market mana mana dikaba aduga market na kumthara pudu market na kumthai du adu mana mana habdi market ri ta da bidaku so bitaji yang moina sigi basket ma same gani so diversification na to ga sigi mong so that investors mang pesa to mang da aduna mutual fund is the safest way to invest in the market but jing orga de muk returns si khatang din nemak pa akhoi ngai manage to group chin moi jina they also more manage to bagi they also need some commission from our side but adu kan to pujida akhoi gi si next stage the lak pudi mutual fund to I want to get involved in directly in stocks
okay but before we jump to that mutual fund give me a kind of exact natrazu if someone invests 1 lakh mutual fund what is the kind of return you get monthly वगैरह annual वगैरह कमाइना पेंट हो गया
mutual fund जे अखोगी the most attractive product when हुजिक ले रिजे थाने दि mutual fund है अखोगी tax saving mutual fund हमले so basically आई ना नसाई की 50,000 जे चाहिए में थादा लगे अदुगा ITC अखोगी नसाई की tax the save तो गदा पहुंच दा reflect तो हो लगे है लगदी lock in तो दे आ गए like for 3 years 3 years lock in तो मतलब जदा दी अखोगी returns से माजे कहाँ जो PDP रा हुजिक हमने इम्पो कनो popular way business अखोगी systematic investment plan mutual fund हमले SIP है रिजे so मोइजना मुकाइन तो गदा they are not tax saving they are managed by the fund managers and all adong ngasai market ka bada ju ma kumthara sorry I mean market ka ju kakhala kani ma kumthara pu ju ma kumthara pu yaw ni ngasai akhoi gi tax saving do di khena gani sigi uji ki SIP is na PDP return
tax saving is na tax save itself to return moina count horaga madu gi safety net ma thamu re suppose if he is going to pay say 10,000 tax था खुद की थी इनका लो बाकी म्यूचुअल फंड ना मधु सेव तो उधर गदी basically that turns into earning अदु की टाइप था अदु की मतलब पे anything extra लाया लगता है अदु वाली ने बा
so is कि कोई systematic investment plan SIP है सी इज न कमाई तो के returns से माजे खर जो different allocation ले like high risk level like medium risk level balance funds kind ले द खोइन से कि high risk से कतंग था द के मुझे कम small capital stocks से था दे मोना दम before taking that SIP मोना दम heavy रखनी banks में किना there is high risk सी returns लाख तब बुझी आई in fact like to 1 year the 0% ले बुझी आई but if in case सिने काखल मतम ददी it depends on the timing entry तो मतम ददा so entry तो मतम ददा कोई high risk of SIP ने दम on an average 40% सी की चांग दम पी अदुगा is compounded annually so SIP is a good product as of now मुझे की वन ये गदी like 20 years back LIC that was the best investment product ना मुझे for now SIP is considered one of the best investment product अखोई की in the next 20 years तुम invest monthly सी if you can invest 20,000 then chances are that in the next 20 years minimum crore दे तुम थोड़ा करनी है सी की पॉलिसी
month 20,000 था तारगदी सी की SIP कनो सिदा in next 20 years da
exactly
you might have a lump sum amount 20 crore yeah 1 crore okay how safe it is ma'am ying is it ho shai da zu je local areas the local financial institute ma'am lei ko high paying ai ga dra pam di pam ba oi ba jom to ri ko ma'am ji return du yeng ta ga di am pam ba adu no paisa khara dai si thada ba adu sometimes back of mind da okay peace of mind nam di le ta ba ita re ko karam kan da kai du ja no will I lose by saving and work chong di le ya ba ko adu sigi nang ki kan si da 20,000 per month for next 20 years thada matam da 1 crore ke document lakni hai pot se safety net kam kan to mind to
safety ita ga di safety high da masagi live pot akoni masagi ai sa haje muge diversification have a puts and the safety high target it's a regulated body
okay
regulated body have the akoi security exchange and exchange board of India and plus MF nam le akoi all mutual funds can hogi association of mutual funds of India na adu mo regulate to bonga tan adu it's only now the channelized to adu yam it's one of the regulated body which is really strict in India overall world the kenata ga ju saving strict
but 20 years in terms of yam long term in adu in 20 years that we put to break down to get the पैसा लोई मांग भी पोट लेब्रा
that's not the case हाइबदी सेबी की अखोगी लाइव माना मागी म्यूचुअल फंड अमा कनो तौगे हाइतागदी हाइबदी आगी AMC मा अत एरेस म्यूचुअल फंड अमा अखोने फ्लोट तौगे हाइतागदी there has to promoter my promoter am lay promoters na man sponsor tawdoni sponsor tawbudu gi mai paisa am leite yade adu gi magi kano gi cushion am leite yade haibidi any in case there's a default haibidi adu gi magi mayam ama magi rules and guidelines mayam leina adu gi
follow to pass on to the sponsors so basically your money is safe
haibidi ngasagi mutual fund trust ama gadam ne it's a trust fund my trust ki is na masagi ki magi fund je float tawdoni sponsor tawraga adu masai adu tawdingai da koi gi guidelines mayam leiri guidelines adu meet tawdagadi amu tawba yade
okay so basically akoina market to mutual fund tawge na tawi myam je regulator amana magi safety ke no je sem matung da liability myam du cover tawbagi ngambagi le kan ta thola pane ba okay akoi matam jam thu chaki khangong de but break am logani break ki matung da let's come to the main issue of stock ko trading ni je matang asida break am logje ge but stay with us interesting party break ki matung da stock da ai paisa je kamai thadaraga kya myam thu na hankal halakpa kya myam hankal ang matang da khanagani Siddharth and Vivek will be back with you after break. Welcome back. You're watching BEG Talk. BEG Talk tang asi khanar is stocks and bonds and mutual fund gi matang dani break ki mamang da mutual fund gi hapet akoi Vivek amasung kano Siddharth ta re now basic shares gi matang se share gi si sometimes companies na magi stocks in je share da on thog ma da pi bani adu da company gi marai bak tu ga mi gi marai bak samnan bane so masi da akoi paisa thadaraga return wangani na mayam jam thadanai sometimes mang busu yawi so just take us through hai tare shares ji kanana lebi yai kamai lebi yai adu da what are the roles of brokers hai tare basically no investor financer hai je you act as a broker ne ba akoi gi paisa thadaga do ba ai ga company marakta you are doing some liaison work am to do ne ba so just take us through hai tare I want to invest 1 lakh haraseba ko share da adu daga di combine tawni what are the advice that you're going to give it to me
first of all like we need to open a demat account demat account ma hangdam yade aduga
demat account sikari no
dematerialize haibadi masai company amagi
madang tuk toino combine adugi pesa kya changi adu
company amagi kone kano ma legi haita gari amadi thaina di physical form dorame adugi in terms of adugi dematerialize
shares a paper
adugi dematerialize form na taraga it's an everything is digital and online adu masagi demat form demat account ma hanga ma tung je da masagi any it can be through a sub broker or a broker brokers sana hang baje ki khoi HDFC or else exist as well lay moi demat account hang baje or else khoi gi hojikan
demat account ta kai gi no changi se
demat account hang bada khoi pan card am changi
okay
or else aduga masagi khoi gi bank statement ma ai 6 months ki if we are going to trade in futures and options and am jule masai another equity have aduga admaina kasha aduga jekti aadhar link to ga di any if there is a KYC norms
it can be done in like 10 minutes
okay how do you just
we bra
annual maintenance fee
annual maintenance na ngasagi charges am lay adu ngasagi account
kya me pisa to
account hang bada logo lay log du lay
okay
I have the product si chaw lay because
ai di me ma hang ta ga pisa kya am change ba apart from documentation du na ta bada
normally HDFC gumba koi gi big institutional banks the mo da hang ga khatang yam na change
okay
like maybe 1000 to 1000
okay
and after that annual maintenance
one time never
annual maintenance is more 2000 time la
so every year you have to pay demat ma hangta ga every year lupa lising ani di tingta have never
and after that
every bank that available oi bra demat
SBI is
aduga akoi ngai
so first step is if I want to invest I demat am log tare demat log daga dan wada hai tare pala am lai thada bi on okay now proceed kawai do
adu matung da after that koi selection of stocks anil stocks se akoi na government stocks thadaning hai ba kan da koi risk profiling han taw mi du investors ji ma je risk hybrid am pam mira hybrid if you want good returns then he should be able to take risks adu mana just agi kano gi yam di pam de du khitang di pami adu agi capital erosion ni to binu ha gi matungina amana adu gi matungina koi selection of stocks hybrid in terms of akoi sidadi mo koi kitang technical terms ne akoi mi du gi magi risk profiling du matungina hybrid akoi na adu ojikan di samda BP yeng bu jaw taseng BP yeng ga mai risk profiling ta bu jaw adu mai questionnaire ma da khoi fill up ta ngani adu matung ja magi mana high mana
shock chalaga pe to gidana bai na paisa mange ga stock crash to re ga na koi type na ko
financial literacy
bulls and bears kana adu will come to that but okay fine BP bhau yeng e okay
hai badi kitang Canada rom da dia maina du kitam kana hai badi yam precise oina ba yam accuracy oina ba du gi amai kitang karo ta bu yaw re
basically magi client to at medical risk when the we one so okay so demand hang to then I give you the account ko adai di kamai to ba
asagi pamiba returns matung da hai badi returns pamagadi yam pamagadi we will be trading in the high beta stocks or investing in the high beta stocks
so return yam pam bai se both of you can ko in the first okay ko iso yam pam me haji pam bai se how high is return yam high way ba an ting doi no just say I ne lupa lakh thada batam da tham da can I say tham da I want 50,000 pam me ta ya duri bra how high is high and how low is low
if the person is hybrid mana returns and pamadi he should be able to take a high risk
okay I'm willing to take high risk adaga di ai lakh la am thada basi da monthly da kyam lakh hoya
koi share ma je hojik se koi some around ma je kayum hai je hojik if koi GBK power nam le hojik se it's trading somewhere around 18 ideas adu ma je turn around to pagi business turn around to pagi my prospect le prospect le
ko koi airport kano gi airport Mumbai gi ka airport le
my turn around to pagi port am le bani na ma in case it clicks it will be a multiplier
hojik share ma da ma gi price is 16 rupees and one week back it was 12 rupees so basically ko gi percentage se hoto ra agar di share ma da p is almost like 30-40% PD.
Okay.
So
so basically I lakh ama invest hogi se by 30 to 40% jump to win about.
In a matter of 1 week.
I get about in a week 1,30,000 only win about. 1,40,000. That's how high it can get.
Exactly.
And risky.
Risky it can be like asagi koi Kingfisher je some example I get the Kingfisher je it was trading somewhere around when I joined this course I joined over around 7 but nowadays I don't know where it's gone
it's gone
my resolution okay people were thinking that it will turn around adu bunga sagi 7 rupees premium per share 0 gives you so it's a risk adu gi potom
the same thing with Satyam computers
adu da my investment is washed out okay kai ban gala itre anai to ne matha sara ga ban to ri boom and bust type
but main thing is when we invest in a stock we look for the prospect some have the example of a kind of recently akoi gi Bharat Mala project akoi it's going to be a huge investment project akoi gi 5 lakhs crore ki investment akoi gi Minister of Transport ta it will be joining all the border areas of the India and the economic corridor akoi northeast ki matang na akoi gi doina samjana to so it goes like I said it's somewhere around 5 lakhs crore adanga sagi sigi prospects ura padagi akoi gi company khale akoi gi infrastructure company some Larsen & Toubro NCC NBCC maina makan le HCC Hindustan Construction Company so mayam ja akoi prospect yenge so down the line how will it be asagi kam magi prospect se kam maina adugi ngasagi project se implement or pakanda maunda shumagi infrastructure company se kam chakhala kadagi moida kam profit kani or else magi order book by the book order ngasagi kam ne kadagi khol kadagi adugi matungina ngasagi akoi investment je khala kane
okay so nogi job se adu mem company am study to bune so am badai pal am thada ninge it was high risk way if I willing to take noina yam phaina khanba company thiraga aduda tak thadaraga in a week's time I get 40,000 or I go zero nadra adu like scenario next scenario that okay I want my money to be relatively safe kar di winning paisa ju khar dim pam me 30,000 phang da ju yare we go da 15,000 or 1 lakh to 15,000 phang ju yare na khan da ga di how will you manage my portfolio hai tar ai gi accounts
see adu gi da koi gi ketang ro le akoina it's called a hedging ane jo koi amal le akoina hedging sina comment together in case akoina sagi sona kan akoina equity thadar ne equity je thadar matung je mai nga sagi adum haigalan ba but in case we have apply ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ option strategies kan lei ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ straddle long straddle ꯑꯗꯒꯤ bull spread bear spread kan ꯃꯈꯟ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ technical terms ꯗꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯒ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ capital ꯁꯦ erosion ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯇꯅꯕ ꯑꯃꯥꯏꯅ strategy ꯈꯔ ꯁꯤꯟꯅꯩꯕ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯁꯤꯟꯅꯔ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ capital ꯁꯤ ꯁꯨꯡ erosion ꯇꯧꯍꯜꯂꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ income ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ
ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯛ ꯊꯥꯗꯒꯤꯕꯗꯤ ꯁꯨꯡ ꯃꯥꯡꯍꯜꯂꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯅꯪ ꯈꯔ ꯍꯦꯜꯂꯒ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯐꯪꯉꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯏ
ꯐꯪꯒꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯣꯝ ꯅꯥꯀꯟꯒꯤ capital erosion ꯁꯨꯡꯇꯧ ꯇꯧꯍꯜꯂꯣꯏꯗꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ strategy ꯃꯈꯜ ꯁꯦꯝꯖꯩ
to how toꯀꯩꯅꯣ defensive ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ sectors ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯌꯥꯝꯕ focus ꯇꯧꯋꯦ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯗꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ IT sectorꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ strong ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯩ माजे since 1990 से 2000 माजे तुम इकोनॉमी की कनोने one big economic generator में वाला में plus banks की कोई construction company infra companies के again pharmaceutical sector is just link और लिंगर में जो कहीं तो they are like very dependent on outside countries
volatile
Europe कुंबा US कुंबा अदुगा कोई मोगी food and FDA ना मले दी food and drugs मोगी ना कोई सीधा कनो अमा inspection number to ni na lab ado inspection je pass out drop akoi
gi sagadi se goes down
plant yes
for example ngasi kita akoi paude the thinners GST gi software build to is Infosys na ni your previous government ado GST gi the glitches me am lei be CBI inquiry to have sida Infosys ki board member am si pakhala mane ba
exactly
because the moment you go government CBI thajal tore ma kain torni kolani agadi stock se crash tawdine ba ado si me am sidagi it's your job to protect my I bisa protect tawdine ba natra ado saida concerns hai I want my money and I want safety hai kanji da noina thada doisi different companies noi yenga thada tawdine ba question ID any and every company ki shares hai is it up for sale anytime every time and you can buy adu ki type labor point away
it can have a supply and demand or rather we call it fear and greed
okay
have a
shortest and long like bulls and bears है तो like
okay
bulls are basically the people who are like ako king kind of positive or labor the market is going to go up kakhat ka niya bears na is na kumdan ni the bulls ka bears ka ani jina balance ta leina bane
so there will always is demand and supply
ama group ama lera some the group ama lera leina ne sense amoina adugi unless they don't have aduna tragedy economic ka problem later so it's a balance
but there are groups there are companies perpetually adum on the rise labor companies le ngani natra say Apple may be very strong company then IBM Microsoft adum wangam satli mogi share ga se adu invest ho gaya ta ga end time you like adum phangbra
hojiti kano aduna US rom da lei India gi oina di akoi BSE and NSE di trade tawde
SEBI gi makha da lei ba gi mapai company ha ga
okay
suppose like akoi Nestle with India that moi subsidiary ma le ga adum trade tawre pura because they are very big conglomerate aduna dwaina tawle at the same time Unilever
HUL Nestle su megi matang de ekta down chali ne
ngasi gi ga ta
ngasi gi kano da ngasi gi akoi pau da le Nestle gi akoi gi ka haidar mogi ngasa gi turn around je tawre habidi building the trust deficit le ma je hojiti fazna moine collaborate tawga habidi it's in every corner habidi India gi kano je akoi gi
they bounce back
we thought ki Nestle na du ki problem lagi matam to Nestle je each and every brokerage firm as well as akoi se gi analyst me am jana hai ja done deal
yo do
they are done deal how they came up in the last moi adu matung da moi na kakhalak pa je it was like a wonderful turnaround
similarly Samsung gi magi battery pokhai ga to magi down chalang mane natra ado hojik India ki in Indian context da sum deal dorni na what are the companies that is most safe to invest agada
company se adu ki safe invest ai je khoi gina magi we look at the fundamentals also fundamentals kitang akhoi prospects in akhoi long term investment hai ta gadi we say more than 1 year adu short term hai na akhoi below 1 year
okay
adu ngasai gi akhoi investment ama to ha ba kanda it says more than 1 year having aduga mi gi horizon gi matungina aida ngasi paisa je yam tang ena khali buse for someone it may be cost it may be have cheap have mi gi horizon agi ꯑꯩꯒꯤ investment horizon ꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯔꯟ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ coming back to ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯝꯄꯅꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯆꯨꯁ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯐꯟꯗꯥꯃꯦꯟꯇꯦꯜ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯤ ꯐꯟꯗꯥꯃꯦꯟꯇꯦꯜ ꯌꯦꯡꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯅꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯣꯞ ꯂꯥꯏꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯩ ꯇꯣꯞ ꯂꯥꯏꯟꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯔꯦꯚꯦꯅ꯭ꯌू ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯐꯤꯠ ꯑꯥꯐꯇꯔ ꯇꯦꯛꯁ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯊꯪ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯔꯦꯁꯤꯌꯣ ꯑꯦꯅꯥꯂꯤसिꯁ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯟ ꯌꯦꯡꯉ
ꯀꯝꯄꯅꯤꯗꯤ ꯕꯦꯂꯦꯟꯁ ꯁꯤꯠ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯋꯥꯔꯇꯔꯂꯤ ꯑꯦꯚ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯋꯥꯔꯇꯔꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ
ꯃꯣꯏ ꯀ꯭ꯋꯥꯔꯇꯔꯒꯤ ꯗꯤꯀ꯭ꯂꯦꯔꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀ꯭ꯋꯥꯔꯇꯔꯂꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯔꯤꯚ꯭ꯌू ꯇꯧꯋꯦꯕ ꯔꯤꯚ꯭ꯌू ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯄꯔꯐꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯁꯁꯦ ꯀꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯦꯟꯒꯠꯂꯛꯏꯕ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯣꯝ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯔꯦꯚꯦꯅ꯭ꯌू ꯒꯥꯏꯗꯦꯟꯁ ꯍꯦꯟꯒꯠꯂꯛꯏꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯁꯤꯗꯅꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ इन्वेस्टमेंट का ट्रेडिंग है आई शॉर्ट टर्म द पैसा से थादरगा अमुक सुम सुमोतागदी विल आई बी द ट्रेडर और आइना से अल्पा लाम पीरे फॉर नेक्स्ट 5 years नवोद पीरे अदुगा गिव मी रिटर्न हाइगना अदुरा कई नो इन्वेस्टमेंट का ट्रेडिंग से
अखोइना गसागी आइना हाइजगे अखोगी मोर देन इफ इट इज मोर देन 1 year it calls it as a हाइबडी गसागी फंडामेंटल सिंग हटे आदे प्लस अदुगी मागी कमाइना ग्रोथ मागी order book value मागी कैम book value कैम लगे हाइमाई याकनी मागी अदुगी मागी हाइबडी if it's an infrastructure company मागी कम हाइबडी कम प्रोजेक्ट तोइबा खोलिबा माई कम चाहिदा कम लाकनी खोकनी हाइबगी मयाम हम यांग तादे हाइबडी
क्राइटेरिया की अदुम पोट मले
criteria मैम यांग ते यादे but if it's going to be like अखोइना कितन short term होइना if it's for even for 1 year adudadi khoi kasim kemti yengdi tasina khoi it's kind of a speculation also
graph yenga
khoi ni sai khoi graph yenga magi khoi technical chart hai khoi hai ta gare khoi je Japanese candle chart and amazon ne
adu sentiment kano invest traders ke gi sentiment to adu ya khoi khang ba ngasi no misit moi jina kano toksel yam lesel volume sim ma'am kan to adu tari ma khain ka khalak to long build up short covering adu khar lai diu ka
psychology game
but again
poker ki exactly adugi pot lakne da manipur gi da mulaksi ko manipur gi market se you are young entrepreneurs trying to break into manipur gi financial market se haira se ko hoji akoi le ri we have some hogi financial institute local oiba mayam khara chauna branch ka to ju yaw re then again we have our local ke no money lending gi ke no le re saida 5% da pubi ga le sigumba atmosphere sigumba ke no si da kamain to why would people invest in something like stocks and bonds is very alien way di no ko oi khara dilai koi we know people who are already investing ado sometimes direct masana invest ka tau ta ga di ma je adum akhoi makha da chi lu yeng le ba ka bu yaw e ko down chakra ba ga na down chakra yon tho ga to ne yeng le ba adu mai ji to ngam da ba su ma'am lai dui ni ko ai di ra kup na su adu gi tabak to noin to video ni ba to di but convincing people si pito ka tha ko ti 5% la ko du ne na pai hai na khan ba ka bu su yom dui ni kari strategy sin raga you will get people to invest in shares
sigi sagi haye ta gari coming back adu da koi financial planning ane lai financial planning je it's a akhoi gi chahi aina hek 25 years dagina mana hek ham job phang padagi hai thabak to ba padagi na till retirement hai mana magi vacation ka to ba magi macha gi luhong bagi magi macha gi study to bagi any
ada area da de koi maite hai ga dra maite ha de manipur le ya ba si very poor ne
we don't invest at
ara
all
ko du cha thok gi koi gi culture lai loin mak ti na te ko ai tari nam jin na angon da dwan song ji but generally angon de ga ho tari ko koi di you know we want to
life insurance late
we want to enjoy life hai na so head on a stick ya ma
okay life insurance lo
I'm still lo ba da si tax kan bi lo bu do adu na ba to ya
and the question is like ai kisi bi da mo ka ai pesa
shiril mere mere do na adu scenario is the commander planning to ga na convince do se let's hear you out
planning to wa bi khoi life insurance later but sigi pocha this is a big issue because 2 years back akoina aina loan am logen chatlu ba loan am log chak kam da akhoi aina di khangdi khangaga sigi poche idea je kari gi no di khangda ba manipur je loan lobo lui hai je last we don't have any investment and people take loan
adu loan no ga sigre so adu payment on bane
loan
risk cover to bane
adu loan ju log ja loan ju pi ja loan low ga sing ja adu akhoi gi npa hai ba pot non performing assets si ja wang le manipur ji and that's the reason why akhoi ngasai mapan gi kano investment je lak ngam ji kanom tong matam de moi di pesa sing da kano ne hai ba pot adu legi and they don't have investment akhoi ngasai gi insurance labor as well as kind of different kind of investment. So if we think in general, so that company they can come down and over here like they can start investing. That is the big issue.
Okay. Next, say I want the lupa lama I'm confused. 5% of hard kita local bank like 4% pige 2% pige ma'am advertise to is the P resume khali se masi bank se he kai kha ti ka ju pakhat pa adai da LIC mu chatle adagi mutual fund chatle return is too big, is too small khan pa. So I'm basically I'm left with the option of shares tell me how you will manage my 1 lakh rupees so that I get a decent kind of say karai bong di halakpu yani
अबे तामोगी risk profile जा risk से तामोनो क्या
मैं हंगे तो वो question था हूँ तिको भी you ask me what is my risk okay I'm willing to take आइगी ऐसा है बतो आइगी लिपल आम जे आई पसंद है one तांजे मनी मांग भी जाते को अदुम दी मांगन बियर नो but I need some monthly income from this 1 lakh investment करे भाव दिन पिंग हम
अदे तामोनो अखोई ना हंगे जे तामोगी risk से क्या हम लोग नहीं तामोनो मांग जो कशु काय दे
लिपल आग तो दी मांग जाते anything to zero पंगा हो गया zero पंगा हो
गया in case I know some कनो तो है कुछ तामोनो लोग नहीं लोग risk take any kind of risk you want make yourself free at all we can like happily we can take quite good amount of risks and we can go to derivatives types is risk quite charge what basically we'll do is bank leverage low rate stock market basically is taking loan from the bank once active derivatives active derivative trading but we never advise people to do this
so full risk din log de
ba advice to this man
give me a good advice I actually mang bi ade but I need some money back
combine to have kind sagi tamo risk हाइबरी पैसा जे इरोजन सुंग चौ तो बुया दे हाई टागरी कमाइन तो हैव कंदा कोइना मसागी 90000 जे सम एट टेक 1 लाख 90000 जे कोइना फिक्स डिपॉजिट तोरने फिक्स डिपॉजिट कम आदु मतुंग दा ऑरल्स मसागी ओलक प चाहिदा हाइबरी इन नेक्स्ट ईयर मसागी 1 लाख से देंगे लाइन
okay
but another 10000 will be investing in equity
okay
adai tamogi capital erosion nei tre
okay so basically out of my 1 lakh 90000 duna fixed deposit in thambi grani aduna ai keno do 10000 jina nanga sagaraga ada phangbo du phangne and how much that would be like adu kya do be
adu ding it depends
okay next scenario I'm willing to lose half of it okay I'm willing to lising ang kai bang rasu yare khara chauna pi ge hai target adu target kya tau ya
adu target mu khone mu risk mu low yare kitang haibadi kitang khone na sagi
40,000 mang yare 40,000 thamani 60,000 chin yare
and sagi khoi basket ama sema ne basket se da khone to is kitang sagi dana so hagi ba khoi khayam pi go da ba adogi ai portfolio je heng ta tharaba kan sustain to bung ngod ba haidi adum regular returns ama pi go da ba amana kitang high bita waraga kitang mayam kitang extraordinary returns pi go da ba haidi aduna heng sagi amana tam tam chin khalaga amaduna amuk sagi capital appreciation when do ne aduna sagi adum gi mong da ma akhoi portfolio design ama tong dia de
large scale companies kai je khoi blue chip companies ai akhoi na companies traded in the Sensex the year basket 30 companies ne Sensex le je aduga ngasagi nifty je le 50 sum the investor gana hoi capital erosion ka hen le
okay
it might take time will lebe have the up down lebe aduga hoi mid cap na hoi mid cap je na katang mo je volatile organi ba but they are like companies hoi ngasagi future prospect wang ba aduga future prospect wang mo ni aduna kakhat pa je to then there is one called small cap chini quite the biggest volatile they can like capital erosion level jai natraga you can become they can become like multi-baggers in the sense like 3-4 times returns per kpi man
okay aduga last si torga hingni hari ni na what's your commission basically I'm not talking about no ki wana ta bata so Warren Buffett say billionaire on that so what would be nangu banga am toraga stock broking toge hai matam sida what's the kind of return hai tare
industry ko na base koi annual under management 하이디 asset under management 나
AUM.
마사기 AUM 나 무슨네 아도 is certain percentage 하면 라고 certain percentage 뭐 2.5 마이너 건또 보고
2.5% of the total earning.
earning 하이디 사기 때
But-
마사기 마이 castle total asset to the
Okay, total asset to the game. So if
하이디
I,
마사기 담모는 마사기 루파 람 타다 마통다 루파 람 yang khai wore kala je lam yang khai dugi kano oi
2.5%. Okay.
So different kind of aduna khoi ngai sagi industry standard ama oi ka.
Okay.
But it depends.
Okay, great. I lam to thiru ta hai. Okay, that was ahogi Siddharth amasung Vivek Thokdamni speaking to us on stock markets ki. Ahogi stock market si all over world waina achoba ahogi companies mayam ahogi achoba financial investor mayam na sinariba adugumba investment area mani sadly Manipur da yam popular oide akoi ayamba high risk koiba samda koi lakai puthok pusin to budro to yawe but if you're serious investor see this is an option ai tare yengbe aba adugumba kainoni area ni adugu magi risk mayam adugi mayam akoi Viveka Siddharth gi du akoi khangmangam jawre. Thank you very much for joining us on this BG talk. Masigi lore na ngasi gi BG gi talk matang sa da losin tare, but stay with us for more episodes with different entrepreneurs, the market key makers and shakers of the market and economy in Manipur. Masigi wenadi matang asida Impact TV na adom dagi kaina yatang nijari. Thank you very much for watching. Good night.